This video will show you how installing your new SmartPlug boat side inlet is simple and straightforward. First, you'll need a ruler, a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Start by removing the old inlet's 4 mounting screws and remove the inlet from the boat. If the old inlet has a rear safety enclosure, loosen the strain relief clamp and remove. Next, loosen the screws on the side to disconnect the inlet from the boat's internal wiring and remove the old inlet. Examine the boat's internal wiring. Make sure the wire is in good condition. If necessary, cut back until the clean wire is found. Next, strip the wire insulation back 5/8 of an inch and twist each wire into a tight and straight formation. Do not solder the end of the wire. Remove the plastic strain relief component from the rear of the inlet and set it aside. Loosen set screws using the provided hex key. Test your new SmartPlug for proper fit and alignment of screw holes, using the rear mounting gasket as a template. On some installations, you may have to modify the hole in your boat to accept the new plug. Next, insert the bare wires into the corresponding color-coded terminals. Make sure the wire insulation butts up against the corresponding color-coded inlet. Then tighten the set screw after each wire is inserted, making sure there's no insulation inside the terminal clamps. The torque specification is 14 to 20 pounds. Please note, if your installation requires using the strain relief component, bend all 3 wires flat so that they can be routed out of one or more of the guides in the strain relief. Next, screw the strain relief onto the back of the inlet. Reposition the new SmartPlug inlet in the boat and mount with the 4 No. 10 screws or with the 4 screws from the old unit. Lastly, insert your SmartPlug connector into the inlet and press down on the inlet cover to snap the lock into place. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, you've gone from an outdated twist-type style inlet to a new and safer SmartPlug inlet.